Hello everyone, the main subject of this video is the soon-to-be released Honor Tablet X10 Pro.
Alright, let's step inside for a moment and then we can take a good look at all the interior features and specifications.
Then it unfolds and inside you'll discover its main unit.
The back cover is an integrated metal design. The frame and back cover are a single unit. It has 4 speakers and the camera area features a glossy design. Both the back cover and the middle frame are made of frosted material. The camera module utilizes a multi-step diamond cutting technique, making it incredibly dazzling.
The lower part here features a metallic matte design. The screen on the front measures 11.5 inches, and its thickness is approximately, I'd say, around 6.7 millimeters. We'll take a more detailed look at the actual specifications in just a moment.
Let's just quickly enter the main interface and then we'll take a look at the accessories that are included inside. What we have here is a 35 watt fast charging head, and then I'm quite sure this must be its data cable. There really isn't anything else in the box.
Let's take a good close look at the main attraction here. It's equipped with a rather generous 11.5 inch display, and then this particular model I'd say probably falls into the price range of over 1,000 yuan. Wouldn't you agree? It features a Snapdragon 685 processor, a large 8300 mAh battery, and 87GB of RAM. It comes in 2 versions, an HD version and a Sunlight version. You can choose the one you prefer. Additionally, the resolution is 2.5K and the refresh rate is 120Hz. When you directly experience the 120Hz refresh rate, it will feel much smoother than before.
Also, for other aspects, let's take a look at its detailed specifications, and then it features a parental control mode which shares some similarities with the previous generation's X9 Pro. Here are the detailed parameters: an 8300 mAh battery, 35 watt fast charging, 2.5K resolution, 4 speakers, and a Snapdragon 685 processor.
It is the 9th generation Zero system.
Support this qualification space.
Then you'll need to set a password. Pause. 1, 2, pause. It's a 6-digit password. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I'm wondering, who is the page owner?
Teacher's son.
Once the time guiding feature is configured in the model, as soon as you enter this particular area, you'll access its dedicated academic desktop, and subsequently, within the learning mode itself, we are able to clearly see it offers functionalities such as Pi Lead IE, essay grading, an essay assistant, essay beautification, mental math grading, and a dedicated error notebook.
And here it supports courses in Chinese, math, and English from preschool all the way to senior high. It's synchronized with textbooks for concurrent use within this. Within this interface, you can then select the appropriate grade level. And regarding which textbook to use, by simply clicking the textbook switch option here, it will seamlessly transition to the corresponding version. Alright, and when you're finished using it, you can just exit the application. Then, by entering this specific password, parents will be able to effectively manage and control its regular usage.
It's truly very convenient for everyone.